Hi guys, this week we have been starting with a word and adding a sound to that word and making a new word. I thought it might be fun to see what that looks like in writing. So here we go. We're going to start with the word at. At. What new word do we get when we add b to the beginning of at? Bat, bat. Now we're going to start with the word am. What new word do we get when we add to the beginning of am? Am, ham. Do you recognize this word? This says and. If we add to the beginning of and, what new word do we make? And, hand. Okay, what word is this? In. What word do we get if we add p to the beginning of in? In, pin. Okay, let's sound this out. Top, top. What new word do we make when we add s to the beginning of top? Top, stop. We get the word stop. Okay, do you know this word? Up. What new word do we make when we add k to up? K, up, cup. Now we're going to add sounds to the end of words. So we have the word an, pan. What new word can we make when we add t to the end of pan? Pan and t. Pant, like a dog. Okay. We have the word ten. What new word can we make by adding t to the end of 10? Tent. Do you know this word? Boo. If we start with the word boo and we add t to the end of it, what's our new word? Boot. Boot. All right, let's sound this one out. Men. What is men with d on the end? Mend. Mend. If you mend something, you fix it. Okay, what's this word? See. What new word do we make with d on the end? Seed. Seed. Okay, back to see. See you later.